was an arrogant, narcissist, disgruntled kid. Happy with the fact my daddy left my mom. No warning, no alert, this came from out the blue. If I could, I walk to Kansas just to be with you. I was distraught, I was dismayed. Without you, I'm hopeless, I cannot focus. They say I had ADHD, but that was after you packed up to leave. To help myself to go to sleep, I would go cry on the steps, hoping you would reappear. And this was all just a dream that never happened. I took the blame, I felt the pain, crying in the rain, rain, rain. There goes the heartbreak, here comes the distress, followed by bad grades. Just wanna give up, my mama